In this video, I'm going to show you this mattress vacuum. First of all, one of my favorite parts is that this is cordless, so you're not dragging a cord behind you. It does have a rechargeable battery. It comes with 2 refill filters here, and 1 filter is already in the vacuum. It's got a very detailed user manual and a USB cord for charging. And this is how the vacuum looks like up close, and this is how the bottom side looks like. Let me show you how everything works. And this is how you open up the filter and a dust cup. You just press on the button. So here we see a mesh filter and this replaceable filter as well. Now I'm going to close everything. So here we see a charging port, on and off button, and this is how the vacuum works. As you can hear, it has 3 speed settings. It's got these rollers on the back. And now I'm going to vacuum my mattress. The vacuum is not heavy. It moves very smoothly. Once you feel this kind of vibration, it means that UV lights are working, and you can see it on the bottom. It lights up as a blue, and you can also see these settings on the screen. They light up as well. I really like that it's cordless. I can say that this vacuum is very powerful. It will remove deep-seated dust, hair, and allergens from your surface. I really like the feeling when you know that your mattress is clean. As you can see, I've got a lot of stuff here in the dust cup. And to empty this all out, I'm going to wash it under the water. But you can also use a damp cloth and just wipe it. But I prefer the water method. But I will let it completely dry before I use this vacuum again. Overall, I think it's a great choice for families with pets, babies, or children. It cleans very well, and I am more than satisfied. And this review is made for the item sent to me as a gift.